Hello everyone, welcome to Lernen. In today's video, we are diving into a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to manage bookings as a tutor on the Lernen platform. Whether you are setting up your very first session or just looking to optimize your scheduling process, this tutorial will walk you through every detail to ensure a seamless experience. We'll cover everything from adding new subjects and managing sessions to viewing student bookings and processing payments. Let's get started and make the most of your Lernen Tutor dashboard. First, we begin on the Tutor dashboard, navigate to the Manage Booking section, where you'll find all the tools you need to organize and create sessions for your students. Next, head over to the Subjects I Can Teach section. Here, click on the Add New to expand your offerings by adding new subject categories. This allows you to define the subjects you're qualified to teach, providing a clear overview for your students. For instance, let me select multiple options here and then click Save and Update. Okay, I can also add new subjects. You are qualified to teach. You can also add new subjects here. For instance, I'm adding web designing. Session price is $70. A brief introduction. Okay, you can add whatever you want to add for your subject description. You can add your introduction, and you can add your learning objectives or whatever you're willing to write here. You then click on Save and Update. You can also add an image here according to your subject. Okay, now this is the subject created. Okay, I can also use this later on, so I'll copy and paste it later on. Okay, now the subject is created here. I just wrote the introduction and learning objectives here, so that's the description is added. Now, when I click on the manage sessions, here I can optimize my schedule. I can add new session by clicking on this option. Select subject. I can add web designing, start and end time. For instance, I want to add 1 to 4. So, okay, this is the time I want to add time. Break between the sessions, 10 minutes break. Okay, certificate template will only be available if you're adding our extension up certify. Otherwise, it is not available to you. Then recurring booking for instance, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. Start and end time. For instance, I want to add 22nd, 21st to 22nd. I can also add 23rd here. 21st to 23rd. Okay, session duration for you can add 30 minutes, and I can also customize my session seats, session fee, whatever you want to add. I can add the description here, and now let's click on Save and Update. Okay, the information for your session is saved here, and the sessions are created for 21st, 22nd, and 23rd October. Now let me take you to the student dashboard where we can view these sessions, and the student can book the appointment for these particular sessions. Okay, I'll take you to the Find Tutor page on student dashboard, and I'll click on that particular tutor where we added the sessions. It will take you to that particular tutor's profile, and the sessions for 21st, 22nd, and 23rd are already created here. And we can add any we can add books. You can book session for any of the session you created. Book session, and it will take you to the order summary page, which is actually your shopping cart. And it is it includes the subject name and the subject category, the session slot, and the total amount for the session you have to pay. Let's click on proceed order, and it will take you to the billing information page where you have to add your your first name, last name, and whatever the required information is available. So you have to add all these things, and one to okay, the phone number is added, and whatever additional information you want to add, just write here, and then I'll click on pay. Okay, it will take you to the checkout page where you have to add your card information. I'm just adding a sample card information. Okay. After adding all these things, I have to click on pay. The payment is processed and it will take you, finally, it will take you to the session confirmation page with your order number and your order summary. So we are now done with the booking process. Thank you for watching. I have walked you through the entire booking and payment process. So now you're ready to get started confidently. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or reach out to support. Happy learning.